Commercial properties has two different type of retail. One is a high street retail shops, open to sky, low maintenance, and the other one is a mall which is covered and attracts good brands. So here are the differences between a high street retail and mall. Welcome to Property Investment with Chetan Kapoor. I want to talk about retail today. So there are two types of retail. One could be a high street retail or a mall. Here are the differences between the two. Number one, high street retail is a market which is open to sky and is a great place to buy things which is required on daily and weekly basis. Mall is a covered property which is required to bring in some certain brands and attracting certain set of people. Number two, maintenance of high street retail property is generally low, somewhere about 5 rupees to 10 rupees a square feet. Vis-a-vis maintenance of a mall property is between 18 to 35 rupees a square feet. Number three, a high street retail is generally open to sky. That means all the brands, all the shops, the signages are visible only from the main road. Vis-a-vis in a mall, you need to enter the property to understand what kind of brands are in there. So if you're looking for a good visibility, high street retail has more advantages. Fourth point, a high street retail generally has a free parking. You can just park your car outside, go in, do your shopping and come back quickly. In a mall, it's dedicatedly planned to bring you down to the basement level, park your car and enjoy your time in the property. Finally, open to sky has a control of self-use and self-control of administration charges like electricity, etc. Since there is no common area, there is no common airspace, everything can be controlled as per you. In a mall, it's generally planned, so be prepared to have higher charges if you are in a mall. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking for a great investment, we can guide you in a mall or a high street retail as per your requirement. There are many advantages to each property and we would love to meet you in person and discuss the right advantages for you. Thank you and looking forward to see you.